Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Before anyone says anything, yes, I dyed my moustache. I got a bit bored, so I figured why not. Today, not really sure what I'm up to. Just going out with my little cousin for a bit, going up to my uncle's property. Just all the usual stuff. Anyways, I hope everyone is well and everyone's having a great summer so far, because it is gorgeous weather outside at the moment. I think it's 37 right now. So a little bit has changed. I just put some 16s, I think they're AU Fairmont wheels, if I'm correct. I'm not 100% sure. I just chucked those on the car for the meanwhile. But yeah, I'll show you guys. So this is how it's currently sitting. It's a lot lower, obviously, on the 16s compared to 19s, but yeah, not too bad. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I recently just, these pulley and the tensioner was changed, as well as the belt. Yeah, it's gonna need the head gasket. That's been pissing out oil lately. But yeah, no, she's alright. Anyways guys, I just want to say thank you so much. Hopefully by the time this video is released or dropped, I've just hit 1,000 subscribers. So thank you everyone, and thank you to all the people that have been subscribed since I first started this channel a couple of years back. But anyways guys, I just want to say, if you can put your mind to it, you can do it 100%, and it's really as simple as that. And if anyone tells you otherwise and they're not in the same position where you want to be, don't take their advice. Whatever you want to do, just go out and do it, and it's as simple as that. But yeah guys, we'll see you shortly in the next clip. I'm going for a bit of a swim now. It's extremely hot at the moment. But yeah, hopefully headed up to the farm later on and grabbing a bit of a feed. I'm here with my little cousin. Yeah, we're just gonna get in some food. What are we getting? We're getting a bit of pizza, and that's about it. Just picked up some pizzas. Decent. What do you say, man?
Fat.
So it's just stopped raining. It is so hot, but we're just currently in the shed. Got all the bikes in here. So this is Uncle's, and this is my little pit bike here, just a 70, 3-speed. What do you reckon, Ben?
Pretty sick.
Yeah?
Haven't seen these buggers in a while.
Plan is go for a little ride. It is stinking hot though, like it is.
Very humid.
It's just rained. But yeah, a little bit of a ride, and we'll take from there. I'll bring the camera along.
Did you record that?
No.
Ah!
Come on, do a wheelie.
Shit, hang on.
Alright guys, so we're just halfway to the spot where we're headed, and here we have this super old school. This has been here for as long as I can remember, but we're in the middle of nowhere at the moment. So there's nothing currently inside there at the moment. It's just been completely stripped. This place is extremely old. Yeah, no good. We're here at a spot that this one and I grew up at. A 25-minute ride. But yeah, there's a massive spot here. Normally we'd come with race bikes and stuff, but we're just here on the pit bikes today. But yeah, gorgeous spot here. Hey guys, it was way too windy to add this clip in, but I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching, and thank you so much for the support lately. It's greatly appreciated, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.